from the floor of the CME Group on Tuesday, May 17th. Top-notch trading in today. All right, we've seen a reversal of a course of action to go lower. The S&P finally settled below the 1329.5 price, which saw another move down to the lower end of the spectrum of the current trading range. Top-notch was looking for a chance of 18.5. 1870 is the daily fib, 1860 is a weekly fib. Looking for a nice bounce from that. Well, today, so far, we see a 2010 low in the pit, a 19.5 low in the mini from overnight. We never did test that overnight Globex low in the S&P. It responded now with the move up to a test of its pivotal level at 28.5 today, or actually 28.40, 28.5 high now. If they want to see a reverse of action, they'll go back below 25, and then they'll go back and assault. But this is what they did early on. After making that early low of 2010, they came back up and made a high of 26. The low after that was 2080. Opening range of 2070 to 2110. Holding the opening range signaled a bias to the buy side. NASDAQ gave us a bias to the sell side early on, and it said if it could hold the 28.5 level, we should see new lows. But after making their early low down to 20.5, they bounced up to a high of 29, and that future also came back and held 23.25 opening of 22 to 23.5. That responded with a rally. The NASDAQ is looking for 42.75. Overall, though, top-notch is still looking from April 19th to April 20th. There is a cash gap of about $7 in the S&P, and the top of that gap starts at 1319.12, and it goes down to 1312.70. Top-notch expects that to be seen now before we settle back above 29.5, and if that happens, target price in the future in the S&P right now could be in the area of 1305.40 to 1308.60. That's it in the S&P right now. Now let's go over to the bonds real quick. Top-notch 3 months ago was looking for a total objective of 125.27, and so far, since they came all the way back from finding that low, we've seen a high today of 125.16. They do have a daily fib at 125.20 that I'm looking to get tested, but I want to see how the bonds react to 25.27. That's their current objective. A move back below 25.06 today. We could see a reversal of fortune, looking for key levels at 124.23 and possibly 124.12. See you next week. Have a great day and good trading.